Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to draw different types of lines in Word. If you want to insert plain thin line, for this you need to type 3 hyphens and then hit enter. So if you want plain thick lines, for this you need to type 3 underscores and hit enter. And if you want to insert double line, for this you need to type 3 equal signs, hit enter. And if you want to insert dotted line, for this you need to type 3 asterisks and hit enter. And if you want to insert bold triple line, which is a thick center line, you need to type 3 hashes, hit enter. And if you want to insert wavy zigzag line, for this you need to type 3 tildes, hit enter. Moreover, you can manually type different line in words with the combination of different symbols. For example, if you want to insert a diamond line, for this you need to hold down the Alt key and press the 4 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And you have to repeat this process multiple times. So you can copy and paste like this one and remove the extra diamond symbols. Another way is that you need to hold down the Alt key and press 7 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key, and press Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 4 and release the Alt key. Then again press the Alt key and 7, and then again press the Alt key and press 4 and release the Alt key. You need to repeat this process several times until you find it sufficient dots. Make it copy and you can insert to complete the line and delete the extra symbols. You can also type 3 hyphens and press the Alt key and 4, and then again type the 3 hyphen Alt key or press 4. So this way you can manually give a combination of different symbols. Similarly, you can insert 3 tiled and press Alt 7. You can use the plus sign and Alt 4, plus sign, Alt 4, plus sign, Alt 4, plus sign and Alt 4. So this way you can make different line patterns. This is one time practice, and after that you can save it for your future projects. You can type 3 times equal sign and type Alt 5 and release the Alt key, Alt plus 5. So this is pretty beautiful. Again, you can press the Alt plus 6 to type the Alt plus 6 and release the Alt key. Press Alt plus 3 to insert the heart. So you can also change the color. Select it and go to the home and change the color to the choice of your color. For example, red. You can change it to the green. And this is yellow. So I hope you understand how you can draw the different types of lines in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.